Coronavirus numbers in Virginia aren't slowing down. Today, the health department reported 18,000 new cases and hospitalizations hit a record high. Right now, 3,300 people are fighting COVID in hospitals. That's the most at one time since the start of the pandemic. In January of last year, 3,200 patients were in hospitals, and that set a record. Local healthcare systems are taking steps to try and ease the burden on employees. Starting Monday, Centera will postpone all non-emergency surgeries and diagnostic testing. Riverside Health System tells us it will reduce the number of non-emergency surgeries. Angelique Arentalk spoke with Riverside officials and found their system also is breaking pandemic records.
Yeah, very significant, the worst it's ever been over the course of the last 2 years.
Riverside President and COO Dr. Mike Dacey tells me that on Friday, about 400 of the health system's 10,000 workers couldn't come in because of COVID-19.
That's a big deal. That's a big deal. And particularly in critical areas, emergency medicine, for example, intensive care medicine, just a few people being short there really makes a big difference.
Riverside is able to maintain close to its normal ratio of workers to patients, but it comes at a cost to employees.
That's only because people are working overtime and working much harder, and that's only sustainable for so long.
The rampant spread of Omicron is leading to Riverside's highest number of COVID-19 hospitalizations, 132 patients as of Friday.
There's no doubt the numbers have certainly gone up, and they've gone up in a straight line fashion.
Dacey says about 25% of patients with COVID-19 right now went to their hospitals for another medical issue, then were diagnosed with COVID while they were there. About 60% of those hospitalized with the virus are unvaccinated or only partially vaccinated. Dacey says it's crucial to mask up, get fully vaccinated, and when eligible, get boosted.
This variant is more transmissible and does to some extent evade the vaccines, but they're still protective against serious life-threatening illness.
Dacey also says that of those who have gotten their initial series of a COVID-19 vaccine in this region, roughly a third have gotten their booster. For 13 News Now, I'm Angelique Arentalk.